Hey guys, welcome back. And today we are in a new setup. Hopefully this works a little better. I am filming on my phone again just because my mom has my camera card for my sister's senior pictures. So I'm still filming on my phone, so it's obviously not the best quality, but I hope that the setup's a little nicer. I just have in my little beauty area, beauty room, I don't know what you'd call it. But today we are unboxing the Allure beauty box. I do believe that this is the one from December because I signed up on December 20th because they had a offer that you could get a Hot Tools item and a mini makeup eraser, so I couldn't pass that up. And I got $5 off my first box, so it was only $10. And I think this was curated with Anastasia Beverly Hills, if I'm not mistaken. I've never unboxed an Allure beauty box subscription, so I'm pretty excited to see what's in here. And people are saying that the offer sold out, so hopefully what I wanted is in here, but I don't know. But this did just arrive yesterday. I didn't realize the fine print, because I've had BoxyCharm in the past, and it shipped within like 5 days of signing up, but Allure apparently doesn't ship until 20 days after you get charged, so that's kind of sucky. So it's already we're in like the middle of January, and I just got the December box. But I'm still excited to see what's in here, so let's go ahead and dive in. And if you didn't know, the Allure beauty box is normally $15 a month, but it doesn't matter whatever month it is, you always you almost always get $5 off your first box. And I think you get sample, deluxe size samples, and sometimes full-size items. So we'll just see. It has a little magazine inside that has some promo codes for everything, and it does tell you what's in here, so I'm not going to look at that right now. And then I did get it, actually. You get the 24 karat gold one-step Pro Blowout Styler, and it's a value of $75, so that's awesome. So I will definitely be using that and maybe do a video review on that product. And that's also I was supposed to get a mini make. Oh, it is in here. Okay. Is that just a part of the thing? I'm not really sure. But I have a mini makeup eraser here, which was part of the offer, so I think that this is just part of my special offer. And it is mini. It is a mini makeup eraser, but it's in the color black, and I kind of like that better than the original pink one. I did get a free sample of the pink one once. I think it was a year or two ago. They had like an offer where you get a free sample, and it was just like a small like scrap fabric. And it did work really well. I lost it when we moved to our new house, so I don't know what happened to it, but these do work really well, so I am excited to use this again. You can just use water on it, but I'll probably use some micellar water on it too to really get the makeup off. But yeah, that's really exciting. And then next, oh, this is exciting. I didn't know this was in here. This is the First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. So this is sorry, my lights are really washing everything out, but I can't really do much on my iPhone, so we're just going to do it. I think this is full size. It does seem full size. It's 1.7 fluid ounces, so we'll open it up. I've never tried anything from First Aid Beauty, but I've always heard good things about their products. So, oh, this might not be full size. I'm not for sure. But it's just a moisturizer. Does it smell? No smell, just a lotion, so that's exciting. We'll look it up in here and see what the magazine has to say about it. So this is $28. So it's kind of expensive for this little thing, but it might work very well, and it probably doesn't take very much to put it on your face. But you can also use the code Allure at checkout, and you receive 15% off a single product. And that expires at the end of March, so get on that and use that code, so that's awesome. And the next thing is, oh, this is exciting too. This is an Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. I'm fairly certain that this is probably not the full size, but I don't know. I've never used one of these, so it might be full size. So this is just a clear brow gel, and it's 2.5 mils, whatever you want to call that. So it's just a nice clear brow gel. I've never used a clear brow gel before. The closest thing to this I probably use is the Essence, what is it, Gimme Brow or something? That might be Benefit's name, but it works really good, but it's tinted, so this is clear, so this will be nice to have. I don't have the best eyebrows because I don't really do anything with them, but whatever. Okay, so this is $22 for this small thing, and you can enter the code ABHX Allure at checkout, and you'll receive 25% off the product. So that's until the end of January, so you better hop on that one. But I didn't know they had discount codes in here, so that's really awesome. But I'm pretty excited to try this out. Okay, next is an Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick, and it's 0.11 ounces in the shade Trust Issues. I've noticed it in a lot of beauty box subscriptions. I can't get the box open. I'm going to have to open it from the other side. They always have like dark lipsticks in them, so I don't know if they just don't sell as well or what, but that's really pretty. It's actually similar to a shade I already own from them that I got at TJ Maxx. But I do like their liquid lipstick formula. It can be a little bit drying, but it's not much different than any other liquid lipstick. So my swatch is not going to be the greatest, but it's just like a deep shade, good for winter, definitely on trend. And this is $20, and you can use the same code ABHX Allure at checkout to get 25% off an item. But yeah, this is really nice, a full-size liquid lipstick in here. So far, I think we've gotten all full-size products, which is really awesome, because this box is going to cost me $10, so I'm already way over my purchase price, so that's really exciting. The next thing is not full-size, but still exciting. It is the Way Texturizing Hairspray. I'm not sure if you use this as a dry shampoo or... Oh, like dry shampoo and hairspray had a baby. This ultra lightweight hairspray that builds incredible volume and texture, packed with volcanic minerals to absorb oil and refresh hair. So that's really cool. I'm actually pretty excited for that. I do use dry shampoo quite a bit. I go pretty long time without washing my hair just because my hair does not get greasy very often. But I do like to use dry shampoo to refresh in between, and this would be really nice on like second or third day here to refresh curls and everything too. Oh, let's look at the price of this. So the full size of this is $26, and this is obviously not full size. This is 1.4 ounces, and the normal one is 4.5 ounces. So this is about like maybe worth like $6 or $7 if you do that math kind of right. So yeah, that's pretty exciting that we got this in here. And I did not, I think you could have got either of those. Okay, sorry. So in this magazine it shows you like the different options you could have gotten. I got really confused there for a second. Okay, oh my gosh, we got a full-size highlighting palette in here. I did not know this was in here. We got the Anastasia Moonchild highlighter palette, and this is worth $40. My gosh, this is awesome. So this is what it looks like. It's in the like holographic packaging, or iridescent, I'm not really sure, but ooh, plastic thing just fell out. But we have all these shades in here that you can't see because my camera sucks. There you go. So they're pretty light and pastel, which is fine with me because I am fair-skinned, so I need all the light colors I can get. So there's, I'll just swatch them real quick and then show you on my arm. Oh, they're very, very soft. I've never tried this before. I don't know what I'm doing here. So they're very soft. They're kind of glittery. Well, not all of them are glittery. Some of them are more glittery than others. Some of these I'll probably use more for eyeshadow than anything, but they are looking quite nice. And they all have kind of a similar look on my skin, just like a different shift, which is fine. So let me go over each shade with you, and see if I can do this very well. See, they all kind of, well, maybe I can't really go over all shades, but they all kind of just look very similar on my hand, and there's a lipstick swatch. I think the lipstick definitely dried down darker than what it looked like. These look a lot better in person than they are showing up on my camera, but I'm excited to try this out and use them as eyeshadows and highlighters. But $40 palette, and it costs, normally a box would cost you $15. That's awesome. So I'm not complaining at all. I really wanted this whole box just because that Hot Styles tool, I'm really interested in it. Because one of the beauty bloggers I follow on Instagram, a couple of them actually, have been promoting a Revlon one, and it was $30, but if I could get this one for technically $10, I would totally do that, and so I'm really excited for that. Let me add up the value of the box real quick, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I just did the math, and hopefully I did the math correctly, but just off the top of my head, I got a value of $136, I think. That's what I got from my head. I did it in my head. But if it's wrong, I'll leave it down here, and you can make fun of me in the comments. But for $138 value in a $15 beauty box, this is really awesome. And this was curated with Anastasia, so there's 3 Anastasia products in here. And so she could put full sizes in here. I don't know what the other boxes are, but I don't know. This was really exciting, and I'm really happy about everything that I got. Honestly, the thing I'm most excited for is the texturizing spray and the clear brow gel, because I've never tried one of those. But this is awesome, and their promos are different each month, like I said, but you can usually get $5 off your first box. So definitely go see what they're offering this month and sign up, because this definitely seems like a pretty good subscription. I would definitely compare it to BoxyCharm, the regular box, of how good it is. So I'd say definitely go sign up, and I'll leave a link below that you can sign up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.